Once upon a time in the bustling world of tech and spreadsheets, there lived a curious mind named Reg. Now, Reg wasn't your ordinary spreadsheet enthusiast. No sir, he was something of a wizard when it came to unraveling the knotted threads of data and turning chaos into clarity. Today, while scrolling through the endless digital scrolls of LinkedIn, Reg stumbled upon a demo posted by the famed Christopher T. Fennell. The demo was no child's play. It was a revelation that would make even seasoned data crunchers shriek with ecstasy. Christopher had crafted a post showing off the magic of Power Query, using 3 simple spreadsheets filled with budget and actual sales figures from various regions over several years. These sheets, placed in a mystical folder, would refresh as if by magic, guided by the unseen hand of Power Query. But that was just child's play for Reg. Reg thought, how would Christopher's demo scenario scale up to an enterprise level as in real life? Not 3 but 300 sources of information, updated on spreadsheets instead of a dataset that has miraculously appeared as if by magic. Imagine that. These weren't your neatly organized cookie-cutter spreadsheets. Oh no, each one was as unique as a snowflake, updated monthly by 300 diligent spreadsheet warriors. But the plot thickens. These 300 sheets of chaos and the required reports didn't need just a mere administrator. They needed an access rights system tighter than a dragon's treasure hoard, accessible only to those knighted with the right credentials. Reg thought, we only want managers to access the reports for their own territory. You see, these 300 operating units are grouped by cities and countries and geographical regions like continents. The reports need to be consolidated in those groups and subgroups, and only accessible to those anointed with the appropriate authority. This was the kind of challenge that made Reg's heart beat faster. It wasn't just about showing off a product's features in a controlled demo. This was about wrestling with real-world monsters of data and scale. And Reg loved it. Every bit of it made him tick. It was these dragons he sought to slay that had honed his skills to razor-sharp precision. So, as Reg pondered over his steaming cup of coffee, his mind raced through possibilities. Could he develop a system that not only managed these beasts, but tamed them into submission? As the resident Excel guru, as his name Reg implies, what kind of innovative solutions would he conjure up to handle security, consistency, and accessibility? As our story leaves off, Reg sits, eyes twinkling with the spark of challenge, ready to dive into this epic adventure. What fantastical tools and strategies might he deploy, and can he figure this out in his lunch break, before his boss returns from his lunch with Elon Musk? But one thing is for certain. If anyone could turn this data pandemonium into a harmonious symphony, it was Reg. Stay tuned, dear readers, for the tales of triumph or the lessons of defeat are yet to be written in the chronicles of Reg and the 300 spreadsheets. In the meantime, what do you think? Can you outsmart Reg and come up with a plan before he does?